ಲಾಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು
ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಾ ಕಾರಿಗೆ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಗಳಿಂದ ಹೊಡೆದು ಜಖಂಗೊಳಿಸಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್, my lord.
ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಓನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್? ಓನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್.
ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ. I would request your lordship to refer the complaint, page 20, annexure B.
ಈಗ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್, ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. 25/7 ಒಂದ್ ವಾರನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Absolutely.
Because it's your sister, you have come early.
No, my lord,
Then?
there is no proper allegations regarding
Oh,
to
that
this.
we'll see, sir.
307 attract ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಾಯ್ತು, ಇನ್ನು FIR
Request your lord,
FIR
read out the complaint, my lord.
ಲಾಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಎಲಿಗೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್.
ಲಾಂಗ್.
No, it is that, my lord, release date ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು the allegation, my lord. Because of that, long use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು.
ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಾ ಕಾರಿಗೆ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಗಳಿಂದ ಹೊಡೆದು ಜಖಂಗೊಳಿಸಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಕಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಲಿಗೂ ಹೊಡೆದು.
Just that, my lord, I'll
ಏನ್
just read
just
out the
that?
complaint, my lord.
No, sir.
Release date ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ
Oh, no.
this false case came to be
Bail
registered
ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
against him, my lord.
ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
No.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
Not yet filed, my lord.
ಹಾ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಂದು ವಾರನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್.
Just read out the
No,
complaint,
no,
my lord.
Sir, this cannot contain everything. Let the investigation happen. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ರ ನೀವು?
Just that release date ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ
ಆಯ್ತು
ಅಂತ
ಸರಿ,
ಕೇಳೋದು.
ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಅದು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ರೆ
Not if at all,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
she will not
ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ರೆ-
go to the police station and lodge the
ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ರೆ
complaint against.
ಯಾಕೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು?
There is no serious injuries and all to her, my lord.
Still we have to
No,
collect
sir.
own certificate.
No, no. Without looking into investigation papers, no stay in
Ready to
307.
cooperate with the investigation, my lord.
Cooperate ಮಾಡಿ.
No cross system
No, no,
should
no,
be
no.
taken, my lord.
Secure.
Not
ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ
my
ಅದಾಗಲ್ಲ.
one sister had lodged the
You have
complaint.
converted this court to bail court ಆಮೇಲೆ. No. Get the investigation papers. ಆಮೇಲೆ notice issue ಮಾಡೋಣ. List on Wednesday, fresh matters. Settlement?
Your lordship.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು settlement ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Decoy
ಇದು
team.
no. This is police inspector.
Correct.
No. This I will not settle.
12th it may.
Last time I told Monica that I am not going to settle this. How can he enter into a settlement? He is a public servant.
Yes, my lord.
There is no settlement. There can be no settlement in the case at hand. Post the matter in the fresh matters list on Tuesday. We'll hear it on merit. Yes.
My lord, on Wednesday 12th. my lord.
Right, the 12th. Next.
323, 324, my lord. Simple in nature injury, page number 40.
Yes.
my lord.
Kodi. Yes, next.
Order sheet signatures.
Yes, next.
Lord, serial number.
ಇದು next ಏನು?
170.
ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ.
ಇದೇನು?
In this, my lord, I have provided DD, my lord. I have to, my lord, make further payment. Why, my lord, 3 months? Till then, my lord, my accounts are frozen. That may be, my lord.
Interim order, no objection.
Interim order?
For granting of interim order.
ಏನ್ interim order?
My lord, the matter was settled for 1.5 crores, my lord. Today they are paying 25 lakhs. Understanding is, my lord, as per the joint memo, another 50 lakhs, my lord, shall be paid
Within 3 months.
within 3 months from today. The remaining amount of 75 lakhs, my lord, 2 years. But
2 years.
2 years, it is agreed. Agreed between the parties. Today, insofar as interim, considering the interim prayer is concerned, my lord.
What interim prayer? Defreezing.
Defreezing.
ಮತ್ತೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು?
Only 25 lakhs they are paying today.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡೋದು?
After within 3 months, my lord, for granting interim order, no objection by the complaint, my lord. It may be taken up after
2 years.
no, after 3 months.
3 months.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಏನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು?
Stay on the other defreezing of account. No.
Defreezing of account, and I'm paying, my lord, today 25 lakhs.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ.
And proceedings may be also put to, my lord.
This is not in settlement, then we will take it separately.
I understand.
List the matter after 4 weeks, 12 weeks.
12 weeks, my lord, but till then, my lord, did there be?
One ನಿಮಿಷ. List the matter after 12 weeks. The parties to the list have arrived at a settlement and the terms of settlement are as follows. In the light of the settlement arrived at, the petitioner hands over a demand draft of rupees 25 lakhs to the complainant and undertakes to adhere to the terms of the settlement, which would be 3 months ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 50 lakhs. Which would be payment of 50 lakhs after 3 months.
After within 3 months.
Right, within 3 months. Therefore, 3 months ಗೊಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು list the matter on so and so. In the event there is breach of undertaking, this court would view it seriously and permit further proceedings against the petitioner. Yes.
My lord, on the last date of hearing, I filed for cause for respondent number 2. but it's not-
Registered to print the name of Chandrasekhar is appearing for respondent number 2. Yes.
What should I say about defreezing as well, my lord, on my
Defreezing.
Oh, no objection.
In the light of the settlement arrived at as observed here and above, the accounts that are frozen off the petitioner shall be defrozen immediately. However, with an observation that in the event there is breach of undertaking, it would be the defreezing of the account will lead to refreezing of the account. Yes.
Oblige, please.
Date.
ನಾನೆಲ್ಲಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಡೇಟ್.
ನವೆಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ.
Please.
134.
134 ಅಲ್ಲಿ the matter has been settled before the family court Chikkaballapur, your lordship.
This is
The other side is not cooperating. I have also
ಇಂಟರ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ 2 weeks IO. Next. ಇಂಟರ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
copy ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಇಂಟರ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? Yes.
135.
Kindly a date may be
ಯಾವುದು ಸರ್?
list 3 serial number 5.
Further. Further hearing.
ಹಾ ಗೊತ್ತು.
A date may kindly be
ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್
please.
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಹಾ. We'll fix a date. I've just released it from Part Heard
Please.
for the reason that 23 is with me only. Let it come ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Yes.
Please.